the interest of trying to make this transition, Dr. Kerr, earlier we had asked for simply a listing of the committees that existed in the past, and you provided a list, and we have subsequently formed Building and Grounds, Transportation, and Curriculum, which, I look at that as trying to alleviate the burden on the entire school board by making recommendations. Also listed on that, entered on that list was Personnel and Finance Committees. So I would like the board to approval to form a Personnel Committee and a Finance Committee, especially to help with the many things that we have to do with personnel, and also especially with the budget coming up. So I would ask that, I know some of you don't want to be on committees, that's okay, and I understand that situation, but I would ask that we form a Personnel and Finance Committee, as indicated that we used to do in this district.
Well, we did agree to have committees that we needed done. That was decided back in January, so I guess the point is, who wants to be on the committee? Do you need to know tonight?
Well, yes, I would like to be on the Personnel Committee. I want to spread too thin on finance, but I would be looking if anybody else is interested in helping on the Personnel Committee. Anybody? Yes,
I would like to be on both.
So there's anybody else? Mr. Johnson?
I'd just like to make a
Mr.
comment.
This, we're trying to get some people first.
You got your people.
We've got 3 people in finance, we only got 1 person, so anybody else? Mr. Close, Mr. Johnson, to help out with the budget?
Without any committees, we can cut through things just fine.
Well,
The
okay.
board did agree to have committees, and that's where we're going at now. So the Finance Committee, I can be on that one.
So that's, a good number is 3. However, certainly if anybody else wants to join at a later time, that's appropriate. But so we have a Personnel Committee of 3 of us and 1 on finance so far. So the idea would be to advertise meetings. I don't think Personnel Committees, that's all executive session anyhow. So that's all I had. That's all I wanted to say.